So in this question 14, this is for the Cambridge International Combined Science 5129. This is June 2017, paper 1-2. So in this question 14, so we have a concept on paper chromatography, which is separation technique. So we have two chromatograms and we are comparing each of these three substances in different solvent. So the concept of paper chromatography is different solubility means they will move different distance in the solvent. So what happened is this is in solvent X, we can see P doesn't move very far, whereas P move a lot further. So this tells you that P is more soluble in this particular solvent number 2 because P travel further. Okay, but that is not what this question want you to do. They want you to think about what does X contain. So when you look at paper chromatography, you look in move up, and if they move the same distance from the starting point, the starting line, and then they move the same distance, this indicate that that R and S could be present in X. So X can contain R, S, but what is important here is what do we see? We see that there is nothing that X contains that has the same level as P, so X does not have P. X does not have P. If we look at the next one, so here X does not have have component S because there's nothing in S that move the same level as in different solvent. But here they say X contains P or R. Okay, X contains P or R, but then based on what we have said, the logic is X does not have P. So what does X contain? X does not have P. X does not have P. I can cross out A and C. X does not have S because there's nothing there that contain S in solvent 2. So X does not have S. This one has S. So D must be wrong. So I'm left with B as the only correct answer there.